Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make a YouTube playlist. Open YouTube on your web browser. Make sure to log into your account first. Search for any video, and for this instance, I will search for Mr. Beast. Go to the channel and play any video. There are a few buttons under the video and click on the three dots. Select the save option and you can try to save it to your playlist. To create a new one, click on create a new playlist. Enter the playlist name and select your privacy settings. Then click on the create button. On the left side of the screen, there is a playlist option. Click on it and you will see all the playlists you have created. You can play video by simply clicking on it. In the three dots icon, there is a delete and edit button. Click on the view full playlist option under your playlist. Select the pen icon right to the name and edit the name if you want. You can edit the description of the playlist using the option at the end. Click on the three dots of the video and more options will pop up. You can use these options to edit this playlist. Select the share button to share the link to the playlist. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.